My dear aspirants, welcome to DSC Biology 16th platform. Read the statements and choose the correct one. The heart is covered by 3 layers of membranes. This is a false statement. The membranes that enclose heart are called pericardial membranes. Of course, this statement is true. Pericardium and pericardial fluid protect heart from physical shocks. This is also true. So first one is false and 2 and 3 are true. The valve present on the right auriculoventricular septum is tricuspid valve. The scientist who invented stethoscope was Linnec. The valve present at the origin of pulmonary aorta is pulmonary valve. In lower organisms like amoeba, hydra, etc., all the material transported through which of the following methods or process? Osmosis, diffusion, above 2 is correct. The major vein that collects deoxygenated blood from anterior parts of the body is called superior vena cava. The rate of heartbeat in infants of 3 to 6 months is 90 to 120 times. 90 to 120 times per minute. Postcaval vein opens into which chamber of the heart, that is right atrium? Precaval vein opens into which chamber of the heart? This precaval vein also opens into right atrium. The major vein that collects deoxygenated blood from posterior parts of the body is called inferior vena cava. The valve present at the origin of systemic aorta is systemic valve. The rate of heartbeat in children of 1 to 10 years is 70 to 130 times per minute. The rate of heartbeat in infants of 6 to 12 months is 80 to 120 times per minute. The rate of heartbeat in a well-trained athlete is 40 to 60 times per minute. The device with which we could hear heartbeat is stethoscope. Read the statements and choose the correct one. The size of the heart is the size of the fist of the individual. That is true, of course. Heart is located between kidneys in rib cage. This is wrong. The heart is wider at the anterior end. This is true. So first statement and third statement are true and second is false. That is, the answer is 1 and 3 are true and second one is false. The valve present between left atrium and left ventricle is referred to as bicuspid valve. Who was the scientist that coined the term stethoscope to the bamboo pipe which is used to hear heartbeat? That is again Linnec. The rate of heartbeat in children over 10 years and adults including senior citizens is 60 to 100 times per minute. The rate of heartbeat in a newborn baby is 100 to 150 times per minute. 100 to 150 times. Thank you very much.